Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can create PDF file from any document on your device. So in the first step we have to open the Google Play Store and look for the Google Docs app. If you don't have this app, install it from this place and click open. Now just look for the document that you want to make a PDF files, like the Xiaomi top tricks. Now tap on the three-dot icon. And look for the share and export. Now go to the print. And in the select a printer, click on it and choose save as PDF. Now tap on this little icon and click save. And that's it. Now successfully created the PDF file from the document. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.